Hey guys, how's it going? It's Dean from LazyLife Productions, and today I'm going to give you a solution to a problem which is in Premiere Pro, and that is when you try to import your MKV files from OBS Studio or OBS, that an error message comes up saying that it's an unsupported compression type. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Alright, for some reason, Premiere Pro doesn't like MKV files. So see what happens when you try to put an MKV file. So this is my previous recording of just something in OBS, and I've got it as an MKV file, as you can see, MKV recording, and it comes up with this unsupported compression type. Now, I've tried a few solutions and two of them work for me. So this is what they're going to be. The first one, which I don't think you should do because that takes time and effort, and I don't think you want to go and re-record everything again. All right, so first up, what we're going to do, we're going to jump over into OBS. So let's go do that. All right, here we are in OBS, and what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the settings, and you go down to output. In the simple output mode, you're going to change your recording from MKV to MP4, and then click apply and OK, and then re-record everything again. That's if you want to do that. If you don't, this is the other solution. This one is the best. Works for me every single time. Record what you want in MKV format, because that's what OBS recommends. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go up here to File and go REMUX Recordings. And then what you're going to do is click these three dots, and you're going to find your recording, which in my case is this MKV recording. And you're going to click Remux. And then it remuxes it, which means it's going to change it from MKV to an MP4 file. And then it should work when you go into Premiere Pro. So let's go and have a look at that. Okay, so we're back in Premiere Pro. Now we're going to take our remuxed MKV file, which is this one here, and drag it in, and voila, there it is. And it is, you can tell that it is the remuxed one because that is the MKV. And I'll drag in my pre-recorded MP4 file. And now they both work. So I hope this solution works for you. I hope it made sense because it was kind of hard to explain this. If you liked it, please give it a like and consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.